now, U.S. authorities have not been able to intercept any direct communication from any of the militia cells to another cell. They have received a statement in the form of a video directed at the American public. Sources inside the groups have said there is a valid concern that if the message is not heard by the public, they will have no choice but to act. Here is their statement.
Fellow citizens of the United States of America, we have sat by idly for too long while our government has actively worked against the people of our great nation. The current administration has proven they cannot be trusted, even those representing us and our party. As a result, we are taking matters into our own hands. Our movement has already been extensively covered by the media, so you can be assured that these are not just empty promises like the ones our politicians make. We are prepared to take action, whatever that may look like, to protect our country we all hold so dear. We are the Save Freedom Militia.
End of message. Citizens are reminded to remain calm and do not approach these groups for your own safety.